Hi everyone, this is Sophie from Physio Borealis, and today we're going to review my 6 favorite techniques with the Coregeous Ball. So the Coregeous Ball has been designed by Tune Up Fitness, and the reason why you want to use that particular ball versus other balls you may find is because first it has that really grippy material that really grabs your fascia and your muscles when you're working with it. The second reason is because there's a little valve here that you can really easily take off, and so you can deflate the ball or reinflate it just with your mouth, and so that will allow you to use it in many different ways. Our number one is a back extension stretch and a chest opener. So you're going to put your Coregeous Ball right at the bra line and have your knees bent or extended and just breathe here and enjoy the stretch. It's great for people who are sitting a lot or new moms who are holding their baby all day, just opening and breathing. Technique number 2 is a butt massage, which everyone needs, honestly. So you're going to put your Coregeous Ball right beside your butt crack and just massage slowly from side to side on your back, dropping the knee on the side as well to go get those rotator muscles. And then you can switch and massage the other side, and making sure that you're spending a little more time massaging the side that feels tighter. Number 3 is my favorite technique with the Coregeous Ball, and we're going to really take advantage of that grippy characteristic of the ball. So put it right on your skin, super important, and put it on your lower back. And then you're going to start rotating with your feet and your upper body over top of the ball. You're going to start feeling like a pull in the lower back of the fascia, and stay at the end of the range once you start feeling like you can't go any farther, and just take a few breaths here, and that feels so nice. You can stay there for as long as you want, and then you're going to do the same going in the other direction. So going right at the end of your range and then taking a few breaths. And feel free to explore and try this technique anywhere in your back. It can be right on the sacrum bone. It can be in between the shoulder blades or on either side of your shoulder, and just twisting over these areas. It feels so nice. Number 4 is great for people who are constipated or bloated and have discomfort from digestive issues. So you're going to put the Coregeous Ball right around your belly button and just slowly massage from side to side. It's really important with this technique that you're not feeling any sharp pain. If you do, then deflate the ball a little bit, or go directly on your bed as opposed to a hard floor, just so it feels comfortable. Or you could also go right against your countertop, for example, and relieve pressure with your hands. Number 5 is a pelvic floor release exercise, which can be great as a prep for birth or simply to release tension in your pelvic floor if you've been told that you have a tight pelvic floor. So you can massage back and forth in between the vagina and the tailbone, and you can also massage from side to side in between your sits bones, and just go really slow and make sure that you're applying enough pressure on your pelvic floor. Or you can simply just sit on your Coregeous Ball for a few minutes and wait for those muscles to release. Lastly, I love using my Coregeous Ball as a back support. It can be at work, it can be in your car, it can be while nursing your baby on your sofa, and you can inflate or deflate it depending on what feels best to you. So you can use it in your lower back, but also higher in your back, depending on what feels best. So I hope these techniques will help, and don't forget to press the button below to subscribe to my Physio Borealis channel for more techniques to help with your pelvic health. Thanks for watching, guys.